Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, spicy and delicious vegan Rigatoni Arrabbiata. Here are the ingredients you'll need: extra virgin olive oil, rigatoni, salt, fresh parsley, red pepper flakes, 2 cans of tomatoes, and of course fresh garlic. First, I'm peeling and chopping some fresh garlic. It's the base of that classic arrabbiata flavor. Now, in a hot pan with olive oil, we'll sauté the garlic and red pepper flakes. This combination will give the sauce a delicious spicy kick. Now quickly let's talk about a common myth, that pasta isn't healthy. That's not really true. With a simple plant-based sauce like this one, pasta can absolutely be a part of a healthy diet. It's all about balance. Once the garlic is golden, I'm adding canned whole tomatoes. Break them up with a spatula or with a fork if you have a stainless steel appliances, to create a thick, rich sauce. Let it simmer for a while so the flavors can really come together. Add a tablespoon of salt. And while the sauce is simmering, we will cook the rigatoni. Boil water with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and salt. Then cook the pasta until it's perfectly cooked. Once the rigatoni is done, drain the water and add it straight into the pan with the sauce. Stir it all together so the pasta soaks up every bit of that spicy flavor. Finally, a handful of fresh parsley really brightens up the dish. Let's chop it up and toss it in. If you are on a diet or just looking for a nutritious meal, this rigatoni arrabbiata is a perfect choice. And for those who love meat, feel free to add grilled chicken breast or your favorite meat, or even a fish. It works beautifully with any option. Now I'm putting it in a serving dish, and voila! I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments.